This is a very simple trick. A lot of people know how to do this. The only difference is the way people like them. Another zippo trick. Put your zipper like this, with the hinge facing up. To make it more interesting, put it with the flat hand. This is a trick that I learned literally 30 minutes ago, and combine it with the trick that I know, and it's like this. That's like my favorite, lighting a zippo in one action. 1, 2, 3. This is a trick with a normal lighter. This trick I learned many years ago from a movie. Another one. I learned this since I was very young. I always thought that a lot of people already know this, but for some reason it amazes people when I do this. It's called the flame in your hand. Seconds. Okay, this is another trick. This time to do with matches. I collect matches. Sometimes you get very nice designs, but a cool trick you can do in a pub, if you do get them, is this. Smoke a match. This way, with the hinge facing up like this, and then